Hi Tigers, this is Miss Crow, one of the Tillicum School Counselors. The purpose of the presentation today is to go over all of the registration information so you can register online as future 7th and 8th grade students. You can begin registering online today. The due date for that registration is listed on this slide. There's also a link to our course registration website. On this website, you'll find a lot of helpful tools for you during this registration process, such as the course selection sheet that will show you all of the classes that you can choose from, as well as a how-to video on how to register online that you will view today. And then, of course, if you have any questions throughout this registration process, please come down to the Counseling Center to ask us, or you can also email us. As far as the middle school requirements, at the end of your 8th grade year, you of course will take language arts, math, science, and social studies every year. And then we ask you to take at least one semester of the required PE per year. And then in 7th grade, you'll take one semester of health. And then by the end of your 8th grade year, you'll need to take one career and technical education course. And then 6th, 7th, and 8th grade year, we ask you to take one semester of performing or visual arts. All 7th grade students will automatically be placed in language arts, social studies, math, science, one semester of physical education, and one semester of health. All 8th grade students will be automatically placed in language arts, social studies, math, science, and one semester of PE. This is an example of the course selection sheet that you can find on our course registration website. At the top of the page, you'll see all of the classes that you will automatically be placed in. In those boxes, it's going to show you how many elective requests that you have. Please don't forget to also include your alternate electives when you're registering online. On the back of this course selection sheet is the elective options for you to choose from. For 7th grade students, this is showing you that you can take 2 year-long courses or 4 semester elective courses or a combination of the two. That is up to you.
For 8th grade, you need to pick enough electives to fill these 3 boxes. So you'll see elective request 1 with 2 lines, elective request 2 with 2 lines, and elective request 3 with 1 line. Each line can be filled either with a semester elective or a year-long elective. You only need to put 1 down if it's a year-long elective in the box, but you'll need to put 2 down if it's semester electives. It's okay to have more electives than you need. It's better than to have fewer. When you get to the alternate elective section, please use the electives on the back side of your course selection sheet to fill in your alternate elective choices. You should list them in order of preference. It's okay to have too many. Again, it's better to have more than you need than to have fewer than you need. It's very possible you won't get your first, second, or even third choice, as you may have experienced in the past. So when you give us other options, it's more likely that you'll get a choice that you can be happy with. Regarding electives, it is important to note that the final course offerings are based on the number of students who enroll. So enough students don't sign up for a class, then that class will not be offered. Also, some students may be recommended to take an academic support class, and that will take the place of 1 year-long elective. For current 7th graders interested in being an office assistant, please be on the lookout for an email from Ms. Crow in May to apply for that position. For entering your course requests, we'll have a link you can refer to on how to enter your course selections. The link includes either a video you can watch or a PDF with instructions. Please note that the deadline for course selections is on this slide, Friday, March 28th. Your choices really do matter here. We create student schedules, hire staff, and align resources based upon the registration information that you submit. Please choose carefully and thoughtfully, as the courses you choose now will be the courses you take next year. You may not make changes later. In other words, you choose it, you get it, you keep it. This is the course catalog. We will provide you with a link, or you can just Google BSD course catalog. This course catalog will assist you in choosing your electives. It's a great resource that has general information about the school and course descriptions. Please note that not all courses listed will be available at every school. However, you can filter by school to see only the classes available at yours.